What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this is an amazing day because I got something in the mail that I was extremely excited about. Didn't think that I was going to get to this year. It took me so long to actually work to get to this point, but it was absolutely phenomenal. And you know the success that I had over 2020 when it comes to YouTube and other things related to the YouTube brand. But I got something in the mail today, and it's extremely exciting. We got the YouTube play button here. This is something really big, really exciting that I mean, it's just a milestone, it's accomplishment. I'm so happy with everything that happened. So I want to take this time to thank everyone, every single person that has come through my channel, that has commented, whether it was negative, positive things, created engagement, liked the videos. I want to do this, and I want to, basically thank you guys, because without you guys, continuing to, comment in the streams, supporting me in other videos that I create and other channels, it's absolutely phenomenal. And I didn't think I would get to this point. And now people are like, oh, well, here comes a million. Well, I want to soak this in, and really soak this in, because I'm excited that I got to this point. I had goals set previously saying that I was going to get to 15K, or I wanted to get to 100K, or not 100K. I wanted to get to 20K by the end of, this month or this year. And it wasn't something where I even thought was going to happen. I thought it was going to take a long time to get to 100K, but we're here. So I wanted to open this up and look at it and see it in all its glory. So without further ado, let's jump into this. I don't want to waste all of your time. I know Carl's excited back here, jumping up on the couch, as you can see. Where's he at? He's right there, jumping up on the couch. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh man, all protected and whatnot. It's all protected from YouTube. This is exciting. This is so exciting. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Well, I wish I knew the exact 100,000 subscriber. I would be really happy. I mean, you guys are amazing. You guys are absolutely amazing. And to get me to 100K subscribers is phenomenal. And this award just really, solidifies that. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you do next. And we're here to support you along the way. And who knows? When you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan, I don't know how to say her last name, the CEO of YouTube. This is crazy. I mean, to look at this and see a message like this, is just phenomenal. I mean, I'm so happy. But now, the time has come. We could see the award. We got a little bit of a card, a little bit of a card here to talk about congratulations. But here it is. Here it is in its plastic, ready to go, ready to get presented. Presented to Matthew Perry for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is phenomenal, guys. Look at this. This is phenomenal. You see the stocks up in there, in the TV there, but it's phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Oh man, I love it so much. I can't wait to put this somewhere. I can't wait. Oh my goodness. I seriously want to thank you guys for everything, everything that you've done for me. It's been so much, growing to 100K subscribers. I wish they had a 500K subscribers, because that's a milestone in itself. But yeah, I mean, it means so much to me. It means so much to me. And, I could literally cry right now, because this is a milestone that I wanted to get to. And to be able to say that I am a YouTuber is something that some people might not look at and say, oh, well, you don't have a real job. They might look at it that way, but I look at it differently. I look at it saying, I have something that I can say is my own. This is my own business, this is my baby, and it's created based on the fact that you guys support me and people want to watch me. No way did I think when I got to when I started YouTube, that I would have millions of people watching me. I was excited to see 20 people watching my channel. And now I want thousands of people to watch my channel every day. And it's crazy to know that so many people support me in so many areas. So thank you again. I don't want to push this video on for too long because I might end up shedding a tear. And you know, I don't know if that's good or bad, but I'm really happy. I want to thank everybody. So if you can, for this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, show your engagement, comment down below. Let me know when you subscribed. If you were a subscriber at 10,000 subscribers, if you were a subscriber at 40,000 subscribers, or you know, what you subscribed for. I would really like to know, because I want to continue to grow this channel. I would love to get to 1 million subscribers, but right now I'm so happy with getting to 100K. Seriously, this means a lot. I didn't soak it in until this actually came in. So the fact that I have this now makes me want to tear up because I've come so far. So thank you again, everybody. I don't know what else to say, but I'll catch you guys in the next video.